Hello, my name's Wendy Kilpatrick. Our company name is MaterialsForTraining.com, and we'd like to tell you about an important 2-day course we've developed for trainers called Key Account Management, which looks at guaranteeing influence within key accounts. First though, a word about the suite of courses we've developed especially for trainers like you, either working in training and development departments or working independently. We've written these courses because we looked around and what we couldn't find were courses that deliver absolutely everything trainers might need so they can just stand up and deliver. Especially trying to find trainers' guides that are anything more than brief outlines really, still requiring hours of preparation and input. So that's what we've been working on, and I'll talk you through how our courses differ from others and everything you get with them a little later. But first, back to your interest in key account management. Well, here you're focusing delegates on working strategically, so they're becoming part of their client's winning team. With your help, they develop the knowledge to provide helicopter views of their client's position within market, competition, direction, aims, goals, the lot. After this course, as key account managers, they'll know their clients' businesses as well as their clients do. One of the best parts of this course is where you explore things like questions to ask, where and how to delve deeper, what to do with the information they get, how to build networks that work for them and secure their position in their clients' organisations, what information they can provide that's so important they guarantee themselves future information. We really take this to another level for delegates, far more so than most of the courses we know of. And when you're delving and delivering, you can see delegates' eyes light up with all the ideas that are coming at them, thinking about how they're going to use them back in the workplace. It's a good one. You'll also ask them to consider what constitutes a decision-making unit and how best to influence it. Focusing on guaranteeing future business, you'll look at building and controlling virtual networks. Delegates consider how to diagnose effectively in order to offer up solutions rather than simply pushing products and services. And they'll come away with a clear understanding of how to persuade without alienating. As a trainer, you'll be guiding them towards anticipating and circumnavigating potential problems in order to guarantee a superior service. And also to understand behaviour patterns so they can build higher levels of rapport. What keeps this course authentic is that delegates are asked to bring a real account with them that they can work on throughout the course. And by the end of 2 days, working in such a highly interactive workshop, they'll have everything they need to grow as first-rate key account managers. And you'll be able to send them back into the workplace with demonstrable skills that will guarantee you future bookings. So, what do you as a trainer get for your investment? Well, the software we provide you with delivers a trainer's guide with absolutely everything you could possibly want, and we mean everything. A word-for-word script, should you care to use it, with directions for PowerPoint and flip chart, case studies, questionnaires, the lot, and plenty of interactive exercises, and loads of top tips we picked up ourselves over 30 years of training. Top tips are all the little bits and pieces of information that we picked up ourselves over the years, and we're only too happy to pass these on. And just like the PowerPoint slides and the exercises, we've given you far more than you're ever likely to need. Because we know as well as you do that each individual client that you have, whether it's an internal client or an external client, everybody that you deal with is going to want something slightly different from you. So you need to be able to pick and choose. And so we've given you much more information than you're likely to need for one specific course so that you can pick and choose between all of the information and build a course that's specific to every single client that you come across. With regard to the script that we give you, it's exactly the same. It provides you with everything that you need from hello to goodbye, every single word that you are going to say in between. And we will always say, if you can stand up and talk, then you can deliver any one of our courses. That's how comprehensive our scripts are. We can guarantee you that. Actually, the thoroughness of our scripts makes our courses a cost-effective option for organisations choosing to use internal staff as trainers, because we literally provide them with everything that they need. You also get a really comprehensive delegate workbook, complete notes that extrapolate out from the course material, copies of all the slides and exercises and so on. There's room for every delegate to make their own notes as well within their workbook, and there's an action plan for them to take back to the workplace that will carry them on from the course. You have your daily lesson plans, and these clearly show you what module you're working on, with the objectives for each individual module, the timings, the step-by-step instructions regarding slides, flips, exercises, and so on. So minute by minute, hour by hour, you will know exactly where you're at and what you're doing. You'll get all your PowerPoint slides, so you just load them up onto your laptop, away you go. Couldn't be simpler. There is a separate exercise workbook containing all of the exercises in the course. So your exercises appear in your trainer's guide, they appear in your delegate workbook, and they are also contained in a separate workbook for you. You also have your end of course feedback sheets, of course you do, which you will hand out to your delegates at the end of the course, so they can tell you how wonderful they thought the course was and how wonderful they thought you were as a trainer. You will have your achievement certificates, so you hand those out to your delegates at the end of the course. They take them back to the workplace, hang them on the wall, a reminder of you, a reminder of your company and of the course that they enjoyed. And of course there are the advertising flyers for marketing, and these can be used internally if you are a training and development department and promoting the course is internally, and they can be used on the internet or any other way if you are an independent trainer promoting your company externally. Talking of promoting externally, if you are marketing as an independent trainer, normally we would recommend on our courses an intake of 6 to 8 delegates, but obviously you will know the numbers that you are comfortable handling, and you will have your own rate card. But run as an open course with the number of delegates that we recommend, we would anticipate a minimum course revenue of £4,800 every time you run this course independently. So, if you would like to get a quick idea of the sort of material you'll be delivering with this and other courses, then we have links on our site where you can see hard copy examples or video examples of the material in action. Or if you have any questions for us, please feel free to call or to drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Again, my name is Wendy Kilpatrick. The company is MaterialsForTraining.com, and it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.